7 Useful Tips for Eco-Friendly Travels. 1. Come up with a plan. Traveling spontaneously is great, if you have the luxury of time and money to spare, but if you're traveling on a budget, the first thing to do is come up with a plan. You don't need a tight, hour-by-hour itinerary, but you should at least have an idea of how long you'll be spending in each city or country, and know the route that your epic adventure will take. 2. Travel out of season. Avoid trips during the school holidays. This is when the travel industry hikes up prices to take advantage of families who can only travel during these weeks. Research the best time to visit your intended destination, and then travel just before or after these dates. This is called the shoulder season, where you'll still have a great trip but maybe the sun won't shine quite as brightly. 3. Be accommodation savvy. Trade expensive hotel suites for dorm rooms and hostels. Use websites like Airbnb and Couchsurfing, where you simply book a spare room in a local person's house or apartment. It'll have the price and allow you an authentic snapshot of real life in the city. 4. Pack properly. Make sure you bring everything you need so that you don't have to shop while you're away. Apart from a few souvenirs, no matter where you're heading, take at least one pair of long jeans, warm hoodie and waterproof jacket for unpredictable weather incidents. 5. Book flights in advance. Airlines release their flight seats up to a year in advance, and the closer you get to your departure date, the more the prices increase, especially in the last month. 6. And be smart about how you fly. Fly economy. There's no need to upgrade, no matter how nice business class looks. The money you save on cheap seats can be spent on food or accommodation when you arrive. 7. Embrace public transport. Buses and trains are cheaper than planes. It's that simple. A journey on an overnight train also means you have one less night in a hostel to pay for. What do you think about these tips? Have you ever tried one? Let me know in the comments.